What if there was a new way to learn that builds real muscle memory? Imagine learning by doing, where every decision you make helps you grow. This isn't just theory, it's action. With KeySkillset, you're not watching videos passively, you're actively engaging with real-world challenges. Get instant feedback and see how you can improve, all while building your muscle memory. Plus, we provide one-on-one tutors to guide you through every step, ensuring you're on the right track. Curious? Try it free today and experience the power of simulation learning. With unlimited access to personalized coaching and a recognized certification, this is your ticket to mastering new skills faster than ever. Sign up today and start building skills that last. Learn with simulations and unlock your full potential.